Hello. So we went to sleep around 1:30ish last night, from what I'm aware of. I packed one of the bags. Today now it is 10 o'clock, so it's now 10. We have to check out by 11, but we need to leave before 11 hopefully, because we've got 2 attractions and I'm thinking of going to one and then going for food and then going to another, then going straight to the airport. So that's the plan for now. But Jyoti's gone to the grocery store, which is like down the road from here, to get some food for breakfast. And yeah, so I've packed the second bag, I'm ready. He's gonna come back and do his stuff, that's all he needs to do, and I'll make breakfast. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And you know what, I'm really happy. One thing I'm really happy about, so last week when I was actually looking at the weather, it was due to rain, and if it was to rain, basically it would have ruined the whole trip, because you can't really walk around in the rain, and most of the places we've been walking around has been like 10-minute walks at least. So we would have got drenched, but we brought coats instead and jackets, which I kind of regret a little bit because we don't need them and it's just extra luggage, because all we brought is these 2 bags and this is our stuff for literally 3 days. And then we've got a small backpack and a small bum bag, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. But yeah, I think clothing wise we didn't bring anything extra apart from like 1 t-shirt, which we actually ended up having to use anyways. But apart from that, I don't think we haven't overpacked, so it's all good. But it's just, you know, the jackets which we could have left kind of. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm actually enjoying Paris. My feet were swollen last night. My ankles, like the area around my ankles, it went so puffy and swollen. And I only realised that when I jumped into the shower, because obviously that's when I took my clothes off, like my trousers and my socks, and I could see clearly how swollen it was. So bad. I think it's the shoes, honestly. But yeah, so I'm gonna like finish up and then make breakfast. So yeah. ऐसे एक स्टॉप शो करता है,
और तो सारे स्टॉप शो करता है।
ऐसे सिर्फ छोटे, ऐसे मेट्रो वाले शो करता है, तो मेन बड़े
मेन का स्टॉप है तो इधर पे उतरना।
हाँ, लेकिन चार्ल्स से गोल्ड एक्चुअल आर्क द ट्रायम्फ हमने करना, बेसिकली इंडिया गेट आ पर पेरिस दा।
सो इंडिया गेट नहीं हैगा, पेरिस गेट आ।
समझ लो, इतना ही समझ लो बस। पर चौंक दे विच
चौंक नहीं हैगा, यानी राउंड अबाउट ते आ।
हाँ, चौंक होया पंजाबी।
हाँ, पंजाबी चौंक होया।
आउट ऑफ फोकस क्यों आसी?
क्योंकि ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਕਸ ਤੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ।
हो गया।
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੋਕਸ ਹੋ ਗਏ।
आगे
हाल तो फोन ले गया तुम।
हाँ, किथे आया हम?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ
ਸੁਪਰ ਵੀਗਨ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ।
So we came to this other restaurant called Super Vegan. We went to Hank's Burger, Hank's Pizza, and today we're trying out Super Vegan, which is a little bit out of the city from where we were, but it seems nice. So we're gonna check it out and we'll let you know. Jan, किवें लग्या burger?
Very nice. Amazing.
Amazing.
As always.
Really? Okay. किथे चले किथे पहुंच गए पहली गल एयरपोर्ट
नहीं एयरपोर्ट ते ਆਪਾਂ 2 घंटे 4 घंटे ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਏਰੀਆ 'ਚ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ
क्या ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਚਲੇ ਐਨੀਵੇਜ਼ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਪਾਨ ਮੰਗ ਗਈ ਆ ਮੇਨ ਗੱਲ
which is the good thing
so yeah ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲੇ ਵਾਪਸ back to home lovely home what please
yo
oh, we are on the bus on our
we
way.
are on the plane fly bus no you on the fly bus ਇਹ ਬਸ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ
anyways we're on the bus so now we're going to head off to the flight and yeah
bus
journey continues Right guys, so we got home at 1 o'clock yesterday and yeah, so basically we travelled back and that was basically our journey. But yeah, I did enjoy it and I really loved it. I've got amazing pictures coming out soon on my Instagram, that X KAUR. Maybe my husband will post some as well on that X thing. But yeah, I mean I hope I'm able to edit these videos ASAP as soon as I can. But yeah, I mean my doggy missed me. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Is that yes? Yeah, he was crying on the phone last night, the day before I came, and he was fully whimpering when he heard our voice over the phone. So he's clearly missed us, and he's just came back from work now. I thought I'd end the vlog because last night everyone was asleep and I wasn't actually able to finish this vlog. So I mean, until my next trip, stay fearless and keep going. Bye!